The debates on AI are very dominated by the problems that people are, or problems or promise that people sort of see from AI for developed countries. And to sort of oversimplify things a little bit, they are largely focused on the labor market effects, the employment effects of AI. But there's this other side. The other side are the public service quality, the public service reach. I'm talking about education, health, public administration, and so on. The upside of that, of AI for those things, is massive. I mean, you worked in these countries like Kenya and so on. If we continue to rely on the previous thing, even if we put a huge effort, we'll be able to sort of get decent quality education and health and so on in rural areas in these countries where more than half the people live only in maybe in 1 century, and now we have a chance to do it in a decade, so that's the potential of AI. So our next world development report is actually on AI, as you know, and we are trying to sort of make sure that it just doesn't only address these problems about the share of a country in world trade or what the share of labor in GDP, but also to see whether or not what's the potential for AI to do in a decade what otherwise would have taken a century when it comes to education quality and health quality and so on. And if you care only about a problem of inequality and about the fact that AI might exacerbate the digital divide, imagine how how you could actually address that problem if you just extended higher quality education and health and so on. But again, if one has to do that, you have to make sure that these countries have a minimum data package.